Hi, this is Ms. Kalaman, and I am going to show you how to fill out your schedule and understand your schedule if you have a 7th grade Model 3 schedule. So you will know if you have a Model 3 schedule because your English and math class on your schedule are at the end of the day. So they're periods 12 and periods 15, or 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You may have English first, followed by math, or you may have math first and English afterwards. But they're at the end of the day, at the very end of the day in Model 3. So taking a look at this schedule, we're going to start reading it from the beginning. And the very first thing you have every day is homeroom from 8:45 to 8:55. In this schedule, I see homeroom is with Mrs. Prout. So I'm going to go ahead and I will write Mrs. Prout's name here. There we go. Also, I forgot to mention, you do need to make a copy of the 7th grade virtual template. You will not be able to edit the original. So you do need to make a copy so you can start inputting your schedule into this. I like to wrap the text as I'm writing because I like to be able to read it all. All right, period 1, 2. So you see in the schedule that we have odd and even days. So we have an every other day schedule. So we have 6 cycle days, but the main component you need to remember is we have odd days and we have even days. On an odd day, so 1, 3, or 5, you would read this top part of your schedule. And on even days, 2, 4, and 6, you're going to read the bottom part of your schedule. So where you see these lines in the middle, that means that you could be having 2 different classes depending on whether it is odd or even. So for example, when we look at the schedule down here, the left side indicates the odd day classes. So on an odd day, I have reading first thing in the morning, periods 1 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and type reading. But as you can see, on period 1, 2, on even days, I have a different class. I have health. One thing to be mindful of is that these are trimester courses, so you may see TR1 and you may see TR2. We want to start with trimester 1, so that means for the first third of the year, you will have health. Health is a class that you have for a block, which means you will have it periods 1, 2, but you will also have it periods 3, 4. So what I like to do is I like to merge these two. So this is the merge cell button, and I'm going to write health there because you have health from 9 a.m. to 10:08 on even days. Now, if I look up here, after reading, period 3, 4, on odd days, I have general music. So I can go ahead and type general music here. So what this means is on an odd day, I have homeroom, then reading, then general music. And on an even day, I have homeroom followed by health. Period 5, 6. If you look at the schedule, period 5, 6 is odd and even. So this means that you have this class every single day. So social studies, whether it's an odd or an even day, you have social studies every day. Again, I like to merge these cells. Here we go. So what that means is from 10:12 to 11:20, 5, 6, 7, 8, I have social studies. After social studies in the schedule, I have lunch, 11:22 to 11:56. After lunch, period 9:10. So let's look at our schedule again. Period 9, it's on the left-hand side, so period 9 odd, I have this class, PE. And if you look at the opposite, even, I have computer apps. So every other day, I have PE and then computer apps. PE on odd, computer apps on the other. Now, again, your schedule may look completely different than these. So the English and math are going to be at the end of the day, but you could have other classes elsewhere in your schedule. You could have social studies or science first thing in the day. It's just a matter of how you're inputting it into your schedule. All right, and then we see we have 12, 13, 14. Again, these are every single day because it's the same for odd and even. We have 7th grade math. I'm going to type that in here. So that's from 12:34 to 1:24. And then 15, 16, 17, every day, odd and even, we have ELA. So on odd days, just to go over the final product, on odd days, we start with homeroom with Mrs. Prout, then reading, then music, then social studies, then lunch, PE, math, and ELA. The next day, on an even cycle day, you'll start with homeroom, then health, then social studies, lunch, computer apps, math, and ELA.